The only nigga I know that can park by the fire hydrant right here. Look, y'all see I ain't lying to y'all. Yeah, the only nigga I know, man.
I'm fucking on the condom pop. All I hear is I go, she goes, Steph, the condom pop? I said, yeah. Niggas go, oh shit.
That mean you the daddy.
Damn, not even the daddy, cuz. Damn.
It's you that
Right.
it's you.
So, yo,
See, I told you.
The next 3 days, I said, you know when you try to make it seem like, yo, it's okay, I'm good, you know? Next 3 days, bro, I caught a cold. And I looked up the symptoms for all types of shit, my nigga. But the main one was HIV. You feel me? I didn't care about no syphilis or chlamydia. I had a cold, so that's me HIV, nigga. I looked it up. I felt my throat hurting. I came out to Kerry. I told him everything. Niggas looking at me like, weird, bro. But thank God I ain't have shit. Thank God, man. And that's when I stopped fucking.
What's unnecessary stress?
Fucking thoughts.
You gotta stop that.
Fucking
shit.
thoughts, man.
You gotta stop that.
Oh shit.
I took her to the. You was there. I brought her by you, nigga, and then pulled up. Nigga, I changed my whole outfit. I'm sitting down eating my dinner with Tanae. They walking past. The nigga's like, yo, what's up? I'm like, oh shit, from the beach. He's like, yeah, you changed up and everything. I'm like, yeah. I wouldn't know Tanae. I was like, yeah. She right, because if it wasn't for Primo, knowing her, I wouldn't know Tanae neither. Like,
Bitches have babies on?
yeah.
I'd be ready to shoot them too. Fuck it.
Fuck me up, man. Fuck me up. Shoot, I used to walk a couple. What time is it?
Not me though.
Alright, so I used to call her phone around now. Please leave your message for her. First ring. I'm like,
First ring.
put my fucking shoes on, my hoodie, walk down the block. Call. Stand up in front of the building over there all night. Until the next fucking morning.
Wait for her to come out?
Waiting for her to come out when some nigga
This
call.
pussy dude.
I do catch her, right? And I still fuck her the same night.
After you don't
After
call
I
her?
called her, my nigga. I love you. Why would you do this to me?
Them niggas do exist, man.
I
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, niggas like you get all the hoes though, man. I ain't gonna lie.
That used to be me, bro.
Oh, it ain't you no more?
No, like that soft nigga. I love you. Kiss me. Give me some tongue. I used to do that shit. Yeah. Now, fucking it. Real good. Hard, nigga. For hours. No emotions involved, nigga.
You sure, man? They say you gonna go back to your old ways,
Oh,
man.
no.
Alright.
I'm 30 years old. Well, I'm about to be 30. Ain't no time for that shit. Get this money. Love the woman you with, you could do that. But just don't be on some toxic shit. Don't be on some toxic shit. I'm saying right here, got this thing downstairs. It's a lot. And they love each other, though. I ain't gonna lie. They got the
What'd you say?
I ain't say shit.
How the fucking skin taste good?
You got around the rim. Yeah, they like that shit. Girls like that shit. I know my girl.
This nigga here, this nigga right here. This nigga tripping, man. Talking about eating ass, man. He tripping, man. We don't know nothing about that, man. Around the rim, this nigga tripping.
You do the smell
Sober
test
too, he's so he do
You gotta do the
that.
smell test, you know? You wet your, rub it around there. The saliva is what brings the smell.
It's him now, it ain't me. You him.
Clean, beat it. You gotta be clean. Just skin, no hair.
Put your finger in it.
On that, where at? What you talking about? What body part?
Both parts. Pussy and
Shit tastes good.
He say he got his ass ate. He asked him how you got his ass ate, right? He said, your legs up or you bent over? He said he bent over, man. What the fuck wrong with this nigga here, man? The fuck, dog? Don't run now, nigga. They got. How many times? How many times it happened?
Please don't put your legs up.
Don't do none of them shits, nigga. What the fuck wrong with you,
Put your
man?
legs behind your head.
She was like this. Get comfortable. I was like this. He said no. She tapped my legs like put it to the side. I was like,
She told you to spread them?
but that was a little lower. As soon as I felt that shit, I was like, yeah.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
God damn, y'all can see me, man.
Go in and she grabbed
My face wet, man.
Give me a mustard trombone.
So if I cheat on my girl, I get nightmares.
See, I told you niggas like he'll get all the hoes. Man, you heard he just said, man. Say it again, man.
Dreams and nightmares. Chasing my dreams, nigga.
This nigga here now. Don't do that no more, man.
Nah, you good.
Me or you?
Yeah, for one night. It was a good experience. Yeah. That bitch tapped my legs. She was like, hold the
He wasn't heard somebody say that before that he had to go try that shit. He had
gotta
to.
try it.
Nah, I'm straight.
I wouldn't tell nobody that story.
Why not?
But you here, so.
They here.
You know what I'm saying? I had to tell the story. Tongue in there. This is the butthole. Just the skin outside. Get around there.
He looking for the video where he eating ass.
Nah. Fuck them.
They want to see it, man. They want to see it.
Man, dudes out here, that's the only thing they want to do. I guess that's how they.
Nah, I can't. I deleted that shit.
You delete the one you eating ass. Damn.
No,
man.
nigga. Yo. Put it in her ass. Put it in her mouth. Don't ever suck it again.
Hold on.
I'm taking it off.
What you missing? Y'all niggas out here too.
How it go?
Suck the big toe.
Uh-huh.
Let her ride.
Uh-huh.
She'll love you forever.
That's
Get
your toes,
comfortable,
man.
His toes, man. His feet.
Yeah, that should belong in the sock and the shoe. Not in the mouth.
Good. I'm telling you. You're crying.
That's cause you, nigga, you got me crying, nigga.
Crying.
Your life got me crying, nigga.
Crying.
Cause you about to do it again when you come back to Miami.
Do what?
A lick around the, what he said,
Lick around the ring.
the ring.
Yeah, for sure. Yo, bro, me and my girl got a new sex position because of her. Feel me? Toe in the mouth while you on top, and you ride while I suck the toe.
Wait, what?
Yeah,
You say you suck toes and sex head, bro.
suck the toes.
Wow. It's just.
Put the finger in her mouth, take it back out, suck it. Yeah. Even when you in there, and she on her back, you can take the toe, put it in your mouth.
You taking notes?
Nah,
Y'all niggas got
nah.
women like to be treated good. You gotta treat
I
them
told y'all you got all the hoes, man. Y'all thought it was a joke.
Dang.
Organized, music for the person, living fun, real intelligent, nigga. I won't break the code. Young niggas trying not to die. We just pray that we get old. My niggas is gone. If they was not in the field, I won't put their name in the song. I'm penning the song. Calling my niggas from jail, just praying they pick up the phone. Try to get niggas to come get it with me. If they was too busy, I'll get it alone. Watch how you approach. Young nigga rocking the goat. I'm blessed like I run with the Pope. If
Needed that.
On the way to the airport to go back to the crib to be a director in this movie. I know this man right here, man. E, what they do, E?